In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Delete Interface. If you need to remove an interface from Airtable, the process is pretty straightforward, but there are a couple of important things to watch for along the way. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find the interface, make sure you're in the right place, and then delete it properly so you can confirm it has been removed. Start by opening the Airtable base that contains the interface you want to delete. This is important because interfaces are tied to a specific base, so you won't be able to manage the correct one unless you begin in the right workspace and base. Once you're inside that base, look for the interfaces section. This is where Airtable keeps all of the interfaces connected to the base, separate from the main data tables. After that, open the specific interface you want to remove and enter edit mode. Make sure you are editing the correct interface before moving forward, especially if the base contains several similar views or team-facing pages. Taking a quick moment to verify the name and layout can help prevent deleting the wrong one. Next, access the interface menu. Depending on how your Airtable view is displayed, you may need to click the interface name or open the three-dot menu. This menu contains the management options for that interface, including the delete action. If you don't immediately see the option you need, double check that you are in edit mode since some settings are only available there. In some cases, Airtable may require you to unpublish the interface before deleting it. If that happens, go ahead and unpublish it first. This extra step is meant to prevent you from deleting something that is still actively shared or available to users. Once it has been unpublished, return to the same menu and continue. Now choose the option labeled Delete Interface. Airtable will usually display a confirmation prompt at this stage, giving you a final chance to review your action before it becomes permanent. Go ahead and confirm the deletion if you're sure. Finally, check that the interface has been removed. You can do this by looking back at the list of interfaces in the base and confirming that it no longer appears there. This last check is helpful because it ensures that the deletion was completed successfully and that the interface is no longer available to collaborators. And that's how to delete an interface in Airtable quickly and safely. And